In the heart of Europe, amidst the tumult of the mid-19th century, a visionary Swiss businessman named Henry Dunant witnessed the gruesome reality of war. The Battle of Solferino in 1859, a bloody clash between the Austrians and the French, left thousands of soldiers and civilians in agony, with no aid in sight. Stricken with grief and compassion, Dunant decided to make a difference. He documented the horrors he saw, his account depicting the plight of the wounded, abandoned, and forgotten. His heart-wrenching narrative, titled A Memory of Solferino, was published in 1862, sparking a global movement for humanitarian action during wartime. In the ensuing years, Dunant and others, including the International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC, founder, Gustave Moynier, worked tirelessly to address the desperate need for rules to protect the victims of war. Their efforts resulted in the First Geneva Convention in 1864, held in the city of Geneva, Switzerland. The convention, initially known as the Convention for the Amelioration of the Condition of the Wounded in Armies in the Field, was a groundbreaking agreement that aimed to provide basic protections for wounded soldiers, regardless of their nationality. The signatory nations agreed to establish neutral medical zones, provide care for the wounded, and respect the neutrality of medical personnel. The impact of the Geneva Convention was profound, setting a precedent for future conventions and establishing the International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement. The conventions have since been expanded and updated, now encompassing civil wars, international and non-international armed conflicts, and the protection of civilians, prisoners of war, and humanitarian workers. In the centuries since its inception, the Geneva Conventions have served as a beacon of hope, upholding the principles of humanity, impartiality, neutrality, and independence. Though they have faced challenges and criticism, they remain a testament to the power of compassion and the enduring quest for peace in times of war. Today, the Geneva Conventions stand as a symbol of the shared human values that transcend borders and conflicts. They serve as a reminder of our collective responsibility to treat those in distress with dignity and respect, no matter the circumstances. As we continue to navigate the complexities of the modern world, the Geneva Conventions offer a timeless guide for compassion and justice.